Today I'll be teaching you about the different concepts of motion by Aristotle and Galileo.
Go. Aristotelean concept of vertical motion is a natural motion. The object will move and will return to its natural state based on the object's composition.
Essentially, what Aristotle is trying to say is that different objects will fall faster depending on what they're made of.
Horizontal motion of the Aristotelian concept is a violent motion that requires push and pull. Motion continues slowly only as long as there is force applied. When the force is removed, motion stops.
In this clip, I slowly open the door, causing a pull motion, and then as I close it, it causes a push motion.
Projectile motion is the third concept of Aristotelian motion. Projectile motion is parallel to the ground until it is the object's time to fall back. An impetus will be kept by the object, returns to its natural state to stop moving and fall to the ground.
In this clip, you can see the ball parallel to the ground, and once it's time for it falls to the ground.
Up next, we have the Galileo concept of motion. Vertical motion, in his terms, is in the absence of resistance, objects would not fall depending on their weight, but the time of fall. Also, if the object encountered a resistive force from a fluid equal or greater than its weight, it will slow down and reach a uniform speed until it reaches the bottom and stops.
You can see in all three of these recordings that the ball and the screw fall at the same rate no matter how heavy they are. This is, of course, if you neglect air resistance.
Second is horizontal motion. An object in motion, if unimpeded, will continue to be in motion. If the Earth's surface is very flat and extended infinitely, objects will not be impeded. Thus, the objects will continue to move. This kind of motion, however, is not evident in nature.
This means that anything with sufficient force could travel infinitely without air resistance or friction.
Lastly, for Galileo concepts of motion, projectile motion. Galileo performed experiments on uniformly accelerated motion using an inclined plane, and used the same apparatus for projectile motion.
Essentially, in this experiment, if an object slopes, its peak will always be the same to its beginning. That's all I have for you, and I hope you learned something.